let's look how Marts and Paula will show us a Rumba choreography with teaching count. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step to side and continue with alternative basic. Now we dance natural top ending into opening out to right and then to left. We dance beginning of spiral and we achieve shadow position and dance forward walks in shadow position 2 bars. Then man dances basic and leads lady to fan position. From fan position we continue with hockey stick, which we finish in open CPP. From open counter promenade position we dance check. And we continue with fan. From fan position we dance Alemana, which we will finish in open counter promenade position. From here we dance check from open CPP. And continue with natural top ending. From here we dance close hip twist, which we will finish to open counter promenade position. We dance check. We continue with steps 4 to 6 of open basic. From open position we dance open hip twist, which we will finish in open counter promenade position. From here we continue with check. And then we dance open basic, second part. Then we dance curl, which we turn to open CPP. We dance check. And natural top ending. From here we dance spiral. This time we will finish classically in fan position. Now we dance hockey stick, which we finish in open position. From here, curl, and this time we will finish in open CPP. Now check from open counter promenade position. Then natural top ending and spiral. We will finish spiral in fan position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.